When we talk about transcatheter edge-to-edge repair, we think of either the mitral or the tricuspid valve. So if it's the mitral valve, it's called M-TEER to make it easy. And if it's a tricuspid valve, it's called TEER. And the reason we use that terminology is because historically there was only one device available called MitraClip. So if you did that procedure, the clip procedure, we called it MitraClip. Now there's other devices available that are good to use as well. And so they're not called MitraClip, of course. And so now we bunch it all into mitral transcatheter edge-to-edge repair, or on the right side of the heart, tricuspid transcatheter edge-to-edge repair.
From there, they pin the leaflets to force the blood to move forward.
Think of it like a clothespin, and so it all came off of the Alfieri stitch. So there was a surgeon back in the day who used to take a suture and would suture the leaflets together. Now the suture didn't work so well, so these devices are a little bit better than that as far as holding together, but it's kind of the same principle. We're trying to keep the front and back leaflet to come together so they close appropriately, so the blood doesn't go backwards, it forces it to go forwards, right? Fixing the regurgitation.
Dr. Wagener says the difference between valve repair and valve replacement comes down to the patient's anatomy.
I would say that, at least in our experience, we've had very good outcomes out 5-6 years from putting these clips in. It's lasted patient's lifetime. But the goal in the clinical trials was to take the regurgitation from severe to moderate or less. And if we know if it's moderate or less from a symptomatic standpoint, patients tend to do better than if we left it severe.
He says the procedure takes about 1 hour, but can vary depending on the patient.
So I would say 90% of our patients go home the next day, so one night in the hospital. There is lifting restrictions and things like that for a couple weeks afterwards, but most people are up walking around either that day or the next day and get to leave the hospital.